Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see exercise 2.1 in HCF and LCM. So complete each factor tree. So we are going to complete the factor tree. So we are going to use only the prime numbers. So prime numbers and then composite number. So we are going to circle only the prime numbers. So what is prime number? The prime number is the factors of prime number is 1 and the same number. Those numbers are called prime numbers. So example, if you are taking 3, so factors of 3 is 1 and the same number. So factors of 3 is 1 and the same number. So 3 is called the prime numbers. So listen children, 16, so they have given 8 into dash. So 8 into what number if you multiply, you will get 16, 2. So 2 is a prime number, so we have to circle. Next 8. So 4 into what number if you multiply, you will get 8, 2. Next 4. So we should use prime number or composite number. If it is prime number, if it is composite number, we have to do it again. So for 4, we will write 2 into 2. So 1 we can't take 1. So 1 4s are 4 also will come, but we can't take 4 into 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay. So what is the prime factors of 16? So we should write only the circled numbers. So prime factors of 16 equal to 2 into, so only circle number alone we are going to write because it is prime numbers. So 2 into then these 2's. So if you multiply, you will get the answer. 2 2's are 4, then 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16. Okay. Next one, 36. See, listen children, 6 into what number if you multiply, you will get 36. 6 1's are 6, 6 2's are 12. So 6 are only 36. 6 are 36. So listen children, 6 is a composite number. So we should do it again because still we should get prime number. So 6, they have multiplied here 2. So what number if you multiply, you will get 6. So if you multiply with 3, then you will get 6. So 3 2's are 6. Here they have given 3. So 3 into 2, you will if you multiply 3 into 2, then you will get 6. So we are going to write only the circle numbers. Okay. So these numbers also prime numbers. So this is not a prime number, this is composite number. So only the prime numbers we should write. So 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. So prime factors of 36 equal to, so what is the prime numbers we have got? 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. So listen children, 3 2's are 6, 6 3's are 18, 18 2's are 36. Next one, see listen, 25 they have given. So 5 into what number if you multiply, you will get 25, 5. So 5 5's are 25. So what is the prime factors of 25? 5 into 5. So both are prime numbers. So we can stop till this. So prime factors of 25 equal to 5 into 5. So if you multiply 5 into 5, you will get 25. Next one, 24. So 2 into what number if you multiply, you will get 24. 2 12's are. Then 12. So 12 will take 3 4's are and then 2 6's are. So any number you can take. Okay. So we can take 3 4's are. So 3 is a prime number. Next 4 is a composite number. So we should do it again. So 2 into 2. 2 2's are 4. So what is the prime factors of 24? So prime factors of 24 equal to, so you should write only the prime numbers. So 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. So 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Next one, find the prime factors by the factor tree method. Okay, so we are going to find the prime factors of the number using factor tree method. So listen children, 27. So factors of 27 will write 3 9s are 27. That's all, 3 9s are 27, then 9 3s are only 27. So we'll write 3 into 9. See, listen children, here 3 is a prime number. So you circle prime number. 9 is not a prime number because it is composite number. Composite number has how many factors? It has more than 2 factors. So 1, 3, 9. So if it has more than 2 factors, we can call it as composite numbers. So this is prime number. So you circle only the prime number. So if it is composite number, we have to make it as a prime number. So 9. Again for 9, we'll take 3 3s are 9. 1 9s are 9. You don't take, see 9 you can write 1 9s are 9 also. Then 3 3s are 9. But here 1 is neither prime nor composite. So you should take only 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So 3 is a prime number, then 3 is a prime number. So we can stop till this. So what are the prime factors of 27? So prime factors of 27 equal to, so you should write only the prime numbers, 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Next one, 49. So for 49, only will take 7 7s are only 49. So we'll write 7 7s are 49. See, listen children, here 7 is prime number, here also 7 is prime number. So if it is composite number, we can do it again, but here it is both are prime number, so we can stop. So prime factors of 49 equal to 7 into 7. Next one, so we are going to find out the factor tree. So for 56, we'll take 2 28s are 56, then 4 14s are 56. So if you want, you can take 2 into 28 also you can take otherwise 4 into 14 also. So we'll take 2 into 28. See, listen children, 2 is a prime number, so we can circle prime number. Then 28 is composite number, so we'll do it again. So 28, how many times? We'll take, if you take in 2 table, 2 14s are 28. Again 2 is a prime number, so we'll circle this. Then 14 if you are taking, again if you are taking in 2 table, 2 7s are 14. See, listen children, till we should get prime numbers, okay, till that prime number we should do it. So listen, 7 is also prime number, so we can stop till this. So what is the prime factors of 56? So prime factors of 56 equal to, so you should write only the prime number, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. See, listen, you look at the numbers 28, 14. So 28 and 14s are composite numbers. See, 2, 2, 2 and then 7 is prime numbers. So prime factors means only the prime number should be here. Next one, 72. So we'll write factors of 72, we can write 2 36 are 72. Then 3 table if you are taking, 3 24s are 72. Then 4 table if you are taking, 4 18s are 32. So if you want, you can take you take 2 36 are. So you can take 3 into 24 also, you can take 4 into 18 also you can take. So 2 into 36 if you are taking, 2 is a prime number, so you can circle that. So 36 is a composite number, so you have to do it again. So again we'll take 9 4s are 36, okay, 9 4s are 36. See, listen children, here 9 is a composite number, 4 is also composite number, so we should do it again. So if you are doing for 9 table, 9, so you will get 3 3s are 9. 3 is a prime number, then 3 is a prime number, so we should circle. Next for 4 we will take 2 2s are 4. So 2 is a prime number, so 2 is a prime number. So all are prime number, so we can stop till this. So what is the prime factors of 72? So prime factors of 72 equal to, so only the circle numbers, prime numbers alone will write 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. So if you multiply you will get 72. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. Okay children. So next one, find the prime factors by the division method. So we are going to find out the prime factors by the division method. Here this is factor tree method. Now we are going to find out the prime factors by the division method. So 40, this is the division method. So if you are dividing 40, so listen children, here you should take only the prime number. To divide this, you should take only the prime number. So prime numbers you know 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, okay. So it goes on. So we will take 2 table, okay. From the smallest number we will take, so if you are taking 2 table, how many times? If you are dividing 40 by 2, so 2 2s are 4, then the 0. So 2 20s are 40. Next again we will take 2 table. So if you are taking 2 table, again 20 is, so quotient alone here we are going to write. So 2 10s are 20. Next we are taking 2 table, so 2 5s are 10. 10 how many times in 2 table? 2 5s are 10. So that's all. 5 if you are taking, again see listen, here 5 is a prime number. So if you get prime number, so till this you stop, because here 5 is a prime number. See here 20 is a composite number, so we are dividing again. Here 10 is a composite number, so we are dividing again. But here 5 is a prime number, so we can stop. So what is the prime factors of 40? So prime factors of 40 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Next one is 60. So we are going to divide 60 by 2 table. Again we will take 2 table. So 2 table if you are taking, so if you want you can divide and then check. 2 3s are 6, so 6 minus 6 0. So the 0, 2 zeros are 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. So 2 30s are 60. See listen children, here 30 is a composite number, so we have to do it again. So that is we have to divide it again. So again if you are taking 2 table, how many times 30? 2 15s are 30. 2 15s are 30. Next one, 15 will not be divisible by 2. So we will take 3. So next prime number is 3, so we will take 3. So if you are dividing by 3, because 15 will not be divisible by 2, that's why we are taking 3. So in 3 table if you are taking 3 5s are 15. So listen children, 5 is a prime number, so we can stop. Then prime factors of, so prime factors of 60 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Next one, so 64, we are going to find the prime factors of 64 by the division method. See listen children, so we should take only the prime number. So if you take 2 table. So if you want, you can divide this by 2 table. So 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 6 0. Then if you take 4, then 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4 0. So how many times in 2 table? 2 32s are 64. Next one, again if you are taking 2 table, so how many times 32? 2 16s are 32. See, listen children, 32 is a composite number, so we are dividing again. Next 16, 16 also composite number, so we are dividing again. So in 2 table, 2 8s are 16. Next again in 2 table, because 8 is a composite number, so if you are dividing 8 by 2, 2 4s are 8. So again 4 is a composite number, so we will divide it again. So in 2 table if you are dividing, 2 2s are 4, 2 is the prime number, so we can stop till this. So what is the prime factors of 64? So prime factors of 64 equal to 2 into 2 into see, listen children, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Next one, 84. So 84, we are going to divide this. So again if you are taking 2 table, so 2 is a prime number, so that's why we are taking 2. So if you want, you can divide this. 2 4s are 8, so 8 minus 8 0. Next carry 4, so 2 2s are 4, so 4 minus 4 0. So what is quotient? 42. See, listen children, 42 is the composite number, so we can divide it again. So if you are dividing by 2 table, then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 2 21s are 42. Again 21 is a composite number, so we can divide it again. So listen children, 21 will not divisible by 2. Okay, so we can take next number is 3 we can take, because 3 is a prime number, so we will take 3. So in 3 table 21 how many times? 3 7s are 21. Next 7 is a prime number, so we can stop. So what is the prime factors of 84? So prime factors of 84 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So listen children, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Next one, 90. See, listen children, again we will take by 2. So if you are dividing 90 by 2, 2 4s are 8. So 9 minus 8 1. So if you carry 0 10. So 2 5s are 10. So 10 minus 10 0. So how many times in 2 table? 2 45s are 90. 45 is a prime number or composite number? 45 is a composite number, so we can divide it again. See, listen children, 45 will not be divisible by 2, because you look at the last digit 5. If it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it will be divisible by 2. But here 5, so it will not divisible by 2. So we can take 3 table. We will check 3 table. So if you are dividing by 3 table, 3 1s are 3. So 4 minus 3 1. Next if you carry 5, 3 5s are 15. So 15 minus 15 0. So how many times in 3 table? 15. 3 15s are 45. So listen children, again 15 is a composite number, so we should divide it again. So we will take 3 table again, because it will not be divisible by 2 table. So we will take 3 table. If you are dividing by 3, 3 5s are 15. See, listen children, 5 is a prime number, so we can stop. So what is the prime factors of 90? So what is the prime factors of 90? So prime factors of 90 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. Next one, 96. So 96, can we take 3 table? Yes, we'll check in 3 table. Because 3 is also prime number, so we'll take 3 table. So if you are dividing by 3 table, 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Next if you carry 6, then 6 how many times? 2 times. So 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So what is quotient? 32. See, listen children, 32 is a composite number. So we can divide it again. So in which table we'll take? 3 table, it will not be divisible, okay. So we'll take 2 table. So 2 table if you are taking 32 how many times? 2 16s are 32. 2 16s are 32. Again 16 is a composite number, so we can divide it again. So in 2 table if you are taking 2 8s are 16. Again 8 is a composite number, so we'll divide again in 2 table. So 2 4s are 8. See, listen children, if it is 8, don't divide it by 8 table, because 8 is not a prime number, 8 is a composite number. You should divide here only, you should use only the prime number. See, look here, only you should use prime numbers. So 4 is a composite number. Again if you are dividing by 2, so 2 2s are 4. So 2 is a prime number, so we can stop, okay. So what is the prime factors of 96? What is the prime factors of 96? So prime factors of 96 equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 2s are 96. Thank you children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates.